Hello YouTube, I'm here today to show you guys how to get your 2G, 3G, and LTE toggles that you were supposed to get with the iOS 8.1 update, which they should be right here in this Enable LTE menu. Unfortunately, they are not. If you're an iPhone 6 user, you will just have this Voice and Data LTE menu. If you're not an iPhone 6 user, you just have this regular old switch, which kind of disappoints me because I was looking forward to the 2G, 3G, and LTE toggles. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get those working on your device. So what you need to do is make sure you're jailbroken and then download iFile in Cydia. It's free to use, but some features will cost money, but for what we're using it today for, you will only need the free version. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go down here to VAR, you're going to need to go to Mobile, Library, and then make sure you click on this carrier bundles file, not carrier bundle.bundle, because this will bring you to your system carrier bundles, and you cannot edit these safely. So go and click on carrier bundles, overlay, and then find your file for your carrier. Do not use the default bundle right here, because this one will not change anything, so you need to use the one with the greatest size. So first things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to turn off disallow carrier menu at home and turn off enable 4G by default. Also, go down here and turn off VO LTE switch, which will only show if you have an iPhone 6 and then or 6 Plus, and then turn on show LTE warning unsupported carrier. And then you're going to need to add some stuff also. So show 3G switch, and then set that to Boolean, and then create and turn that on. Also turn on show 3G switch on cat10HW. You also need to have that on. And then also add override carrier menu 2. Set that to Boolean as well. Find that and turn that on. And then you're going to also need to add allow edge editing. Set that to Boolean. Then find that, turn it on. And also allow attach APN editing. Boolean as well. Create, turn that on. Also, you need to enable create APN edit ability type mask, and then keep it as string. You need to keep that one as a string, and then create, then find it, click on it, and type in 53 right there. Oh, don't hit return though. And then oops, don't click done. And then find data indicator override, which this will only show if you're on AT&T or T-Mobile, and change that to 3G. Then, so once you've done all that, hit done. And then what you need to do is you need to copy this, because this will reset itself every time you turn off your device. And then simply go back where I put it in documents. So you just copy and paste it. I already have it here, so I do not need to do that again. So you just copy that to that, so if you reboot your device, you can simply copy and paste it back to that directory and everything will be back to the way it was. So what you need to do is turn on airplane mode for at least 10 seconds, because that will reset Comm Center, so it will reload your carrier bundle onto the device. So it has to be at least 10 seconds. More is fine, but less won't enable your changes. So you turn it off, and you'll know it worked when you get this carrier menu right here. And so you go into cellular, and look at that, we have voice and data. So let's do a little demo here. Turn Wi-Fi off, so click on 2G, it will reload the carrier network and will show up with a E up there, so that signifies you're on AT&T's 2G network. And then you can also click on 3G and LTE the same way, and it will change it and go and switch to the 3G network. So here's also one more thing. If you would like a little more control over how your iPhone does roaming, you go back into the same file and you need to type in show voice roaming switch, and then Boolean as well. Go down, find it, and then turn it on. Done. And then you do the same thing. Put your phone in airplane mode for at least 10 seconds. So go ahead and count that down once you've done that. And then once that 10 seconds is up, you turn airplane mode off. And then a new roaming tab will be right here. This is only if you have T-Mobile or AT&T, because they only allow this data roaming. So now you have control over your voice roaming and data roaming. So that is it for today, and I will see you guys later.